The smaller train is a scale drawing of the larger train. If the tire rod connecting the 3 tires of the larger train is 36 inches, write an equation to find the length of the tire rod of the smaller train. The unknown. Interpret your solution in the context of the problem. We are going to set up equivalent fractions to figure out the new tire rod length. For these types of problems, it's always new divided by original. In this problem, our new window length is 6, and our original window length is 16. Our new tire rod length is X, and our original tire rod length is 36. You can use the same cross multiply and divide technique as you do when using percents with scale factors. You will multiply these two numbers and then divide by that and solve for X. Don't forget to include units in your answer. On number 2, the larger arrow is a scale drawing of the smaller. If the distance around the smaller is 26 or 25.66, what is the distance around the larger arrow? Use an equation to find the distance and interpret your solution in the context of the problem. We are going to use some information from the picture. The original distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this distance here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the new divided by the original, and then we're going to do the same thing. New divided by the original. Cross multiply, then divide.